our room.
Welcome
Hello.
to room 9624.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're starting off with the restroom. Spacious, spacious, spacious. Comes with a tub. Hooks. Captain Hook. Got a walk-in closet here with rooms. Very, very spacious. Want to get in there for reference here? You got plenty of rooms for activities.
You could probably put a bed in here.
You could do jumping jacks too. Oh, you're good. Vanity. And where the magic happens, because we're magicians. Let's take a look. Oh, was I lucky? It's a little tricky. This is our patio. Dude. 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 Water slide. And how low can this go? Pretty darn low. San Pedro Port. Just got our rooms and we're gonna explore.
You got a fridge.
Oh yeah, and the fridge is right here, mini fridge. What do we got in there? Nothing.
We need to stock it up.
Stock it up with drinks. So yeah,
Ew.
deuces y'all.